So let me show you step by step how to cancel subscription in Vidiq. So after you go to your browser, go to vidiq.com like this, and then click on the home. After you go to home page, then scroll all the way to down and click on your Gmail account. After you click on your Gmail account like this, the next thing to do, you go to account setting. After you go to account setting, now you go to manage plan and then scroll to down. So now we click on this cancel button. So from there, now it will update your plan. So as you can see here, is now if I tap on this downgrade button, so from there now I'll tap on this continue button. So from there so now it will ask you some questions. So I'll just click on this, just choose one of this, let's say too expensive. After you choose this one, then click on this continue. So from now it will cancel your plan on the Vidiq. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one. Thanks for watching.